In the previous video, we looked at how to turn an article into a note and use progressive summarization to extract the essential information and remix it into another format. In this video, I'll walk through how you can create resources to use over and over again in your projects from sources that you save in your Knowledge Hub. The second technique is fairly simple and just requires you to notice when you see a process, framework, table, or strategy in any of your Knowledge Hub sources that you want to use in any of your future projects. Creating these resources means that you have lots of Lego bricks to build bigger projects faster and more effectively. By using your pre-built resources and templates, you can get into the flow quicker and stop remaking the same thing over and over again. The example I'm going to show you is how to create a landing page template in Notion. So that next time you want to create a landing page or website, you can easily fill in the placeholder text and create the page quicker. Remember, you can do this with just about anything that you find useful. So some other examples which I won't walk through are making templates for your YouTube description, legal documents, contracts, email templates, and even cooking recipes. Also, your resources database doesn't need to be filled with just Notion templates. If there are things like PDFs and Photoshop files that you use over and over again, you may want to keep them here as well. So without further ado, here's the walkthrough of creating a basic template from a source that I captured in my Knowledge Hub, then I created into a resource that I can use time and time again in future projects.
Wouldn't it be nice if this was ours? A template of something made by some talented person somewhere. A resource that could provide us with a springboard to success, faster project completions, and creative expression. In this lesson, I'm going to walk through how you can turn useful frameworks, models, and templates into reusable resources. I'm going to start by taking a screenshot of the landing page as a reference. If you can't copy the image, just take a screenshot and bring it into Notion. After I create a new resource page and title it Landing Page Template, I'll paste in the screenshot and create 2 columns. Next, I'll create headings for all of the major sections of the landing page. Nice. That's looking kind of tidy. Now, next time I want to build a landing page, all I have to do is make a copy of this resource, then link or move it to my projects page so I can fill in the placeholder text and get my page up to speed quicker. I'm going to spend a bit of time now just formatting it so it looks kind of similar to this landing page image that I have here. As you can see, the image is next to the header. So I will move that into this column and get rid of view. Next, the form header is next to the subheading. What I actually want to do is move everything into a new section below that so I can create different sets of columns. See here, there's 2, and then another set would be subheading and the sign up form. Next, the social proof has an image and then the text to the right, so I'm going to add that in. Create some more space. Underneath the reinforcing statement are 3 different benefits with images. So I will duplicate a couple of those and make 3 columns. There's a little bit of text under each of these. And there's something similar going on for the features. Great. If I reference back to the original, I've got my hero image, the headline, the supporting copy, the form, the subheading, some supporting copy, the social proof, and then the benefits, and then the features. Heading, call to action, sign up form, social proof, benefits, features, and footer. So there you have it, a new resource that you can reuse in future projects to get into the flow quicker. Remember, you can do this with just about anything that you find useful on the web or after you've completed a project. Remember, Para is a dynamic system, so if your projects are completed and they contain some useful frameworks and templates, then spend some time tidying them up and keeping them in your resources database. That's it for now. You've mastered the basics of capturing, organizing, distilling, and now it's up to you to start expressing from your second brain. I'll see you in the final module, where we'll be tying all of this together to complete your final project.